What up, what up, what up, what up, what up, what up? This is Action Figure Supreme. I'm Don Dizza. And this is video number 43. 43, y'all. Moving right along, moving on up. We almost at 50. Hey, get excited. This is an unboxing slash review. You guys already know I was going to say that, and I'm about to say something else. Please, like, subscribe, comment. Hit the notification bell. Please, share and repost. Holla at your boy. Get at me, dog. You know, check out my website at www.actionfiguresupreme.com. Funko Pop, Marvel Legends, Marvel Select. Soon to have Mayfex Mediacom, DC McFarlane Toys. What else we got? What else we got? Just check us out. www.actionfiguresupreme.com. Bang bang. Today I'll be doing an unboxing and a review on a Marvel Select figure. Bang. Super-Skrull. Bang bang bang. Yeah. It's a big Marvel Select box, and guess what? It's kind of light. It's not so heavy. Yeah, guess what? I picked this up from Forbidden Planet. We talked about them before on the show a couple of times, but that's where I got this figure from. Yeah, and I paid a whopping $29.99. Hey, check the front of the box, check the back of the box, check the side of the box. Check it out now. And it has a little bio. Yep. Not reading the bio, sorry. It's a scroll. You guys should know about scrolls. This is an unboxer. Let's get this bad boy open. Slice. Take it easy. Toss. As usual, same old booklet. I ain't gonna say it again. It's playing the same figures. Toss. Yeah, so Super-Skrull has, let's count it. He has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 accessories, 3 pairs of hands, 1 head sculpt. Toss. And some type of effect. I don't know what it is. That sculpt is cool. Looks good. I don't even know if this is an effect or if this just... Oh, no. We'll figure it out. It's a lot of work. Super-Skrull. Looks good. Feels good. Check them out. Get some of these hands out. This is a lot of accessory for a Marvel Select figure. You usually don't get a lot of accessories with Marvel Select. So for them to give you a lot of different hands, they stepping up. Oh, Marvel Legends, Hasbro's coming out with their own version. So we got to step it up. Let's get into the figure. Check them out. Give you a little 360. Yeah, looks good. Like it. So Super-Skrull, he is not pinless, no double jointed knees. He has the foot pivot, no boot swivel. Well, yeah, technically. I mean, this is kind of a thigh, but being that they are high boots, so I guess you could consider this to be boot swivel. Yeah. Looks good. Kick like that. Check the articulation. Not bad. He has arm swivel, but you gotta be careful because you might knock off his wings or his fins. It's a weird looking costume. No double jointed elbows. Arm swivel, I said. Fist swivel. Yeah, head could look up a little bit. A good amount. Head could look down. The black is like a matte finish. Feels nice. It's a nice matte finish. And then the gold is metallic, almost like a marbly look, but it's more metallic paint. Same as the burgundy on it, on the figure. Metallic. And then he has a nice green wash that if I decide to keep this figure, I'm gonna do over. The face sculpt looks good. All the paint apps look good. Looks real good. Oh, he has the chest crouch, ab crouch. Looking 360. Yeah. No waist movement though. No waist movement. And it looks good. Good looking figure nonetheless. And I think I could put this with my Marvel Legends and my scrolls that I have. I will be putting those on display soon. My scroll army. Because scrolls can be different sizes. So this will fit. Now I gotta determine if I want to get the Marvel Legends 2-pack or if I just stay with this. I have the Super-Skrull from the Build-A-Figure Way Fantastic Four. Let's go over some of these accessories. A lot of hands, so I'm not gonna do all the hands. Then I'll put the head sculpt. I'm gonna do the open hands. Alright, let's put the other head sculpt on the ball hinge. This head sculpt is fire. This suit is fire. The figure kind of, it's something about it that's like weird to me, that looks off. I don't know, I can't put my finger on what it is. I'm trying to figure it out. It's like the proportion. It's not very proportionate, like something looks off. Like the way the mold of the body, like the butt looks weird, like this part. The torso, all the torso looks a little weird. But if you see it, it's like, almost like you got a diaper on. It looks weird. And then even how square it is mad, it's very boxy, like in here. It should have went in more, or out. It looks weird to me. And then the arms look kind of, I don't know. Well, not with this. With the hands it doesn't look, but they look kind of short. Maybe it's just the legs and then the chest area, the torso. Looks a little weird. Looks a little off. I can't really put my finger on it. Maybe you guys can help me out. No butterfly arms. Yeah, that don't look bad. All right, let's do the rating. 4.5, y'all. It's 4.5. Yeah, he's a 4.5. Paint apps look good. Everything looks good. The only thing I could say is the shape is just a little weird between the torso and the buttocks. The buttocks looks a little weird on the figure. The legs. I thought the arms had looked short, but they don't. Maybe it's just with the fist they look a little short, but with their open hands they don't really look that short. I think I'm gonna display him with the open hands. The wash and the green looks good. Whatever these are, looks good. Not great articulation, but that's okay. It's great for this figure because it's a 7-inch figure and it's a Marvel Select figure. So he ain't need to get crazy. So I give him 1.5. I like the fact that Marvel Select is stepping their figures up, giving you more, doing more, and also giving you more articulation with this high quality at a decent price. And they always do good with their paint apps for the most part. Yeah, so I'm liking this. 4.5, y'all. Super-Skrull. Let's see where this goes. I think this is just a part of the ambiance, just for display. I don't believe this goes anywhere. What I noticed on this head sculpt is, though, he has small ears sculpted in there, not the big old ears. So that's a little weird. They kind of messed up that. It's supposed to be an imprint of big ears, or maybe they should have just never put no ear sculpt on the side. No visible ears. It'd have been fire if the belt could have came off, but still cool nonetheless. Yeah. So Super-Skrull. To keep or not to keep? That is the question. I gotta see what it do when I bring out my Super-Skrulls. I got them packed up, so yeah. But Super-Skrull, 4.5, y'all. I'm Don Dizza. This is Super-Skrull. Like, subscribe, comment. Check out my website at www.actionfiguresupreme.com. We live, we lit. Check us out. We out. Peace.